After you've ordered your case and received your template in the mail, open the box and remove your template, instruction sheet, prepaid label, and Sharpie pen. Unroll the template onto a flat surface and use paper weights if needed to keep the edges of the template flat. Lay your items out on the grid. Make sure all items are placed within the thick dark lines and leave at least an inch of space between each item. The grid squares on the template can be used to keep your items straight. When you are happy with your layout, begin your trace by holding down your items to prevent them from moving. Use the Sharpie provided and hold it as vertical as possible. Our program allows for the thickness of the pen barrel. If you make a mistake and draw an extra line, simply cross it out. Once your objects are traced, you will need to measure your items. In this project, the mags and ammo box have single widths and can be measured and labeled. The rifle has several widths to measure: the barrel, handguard, and scope. On this rifle, the scope, receiver, and stock are roughly the same measurements. Draw dashed lines on your template to show the changes in width and label your grid with each measurement and item name. Write depth on the area that is to be flushed with the foam. For small areas that need additional depth, such as the mounting screws, measure the screws and draw the area on your grid. Write the letter A after the measurement for all additional areas. When you are done labeling your template, use dashed lines to indicate finger groove access. Sign your template and place it in its original packaging and prepaid postage label. Once we receive your template, our engineers will process your template and digitize your drawing. We will then email a final proof to get approval before we cut your foam. The unique thing about what we do is that your foam can have various depths and we can cut to your specifications so that your items will fit and be secure. If you have any questions about our custom foam products, we're ready to help. Give us a call today. If you like this video and are new to our channel, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to get notifications when we upload new videos.